In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prioritize tasks in Trello. If you're juggling multiple tasks and struggling to stay organized, Trello is an excellent tool to help you manage your workload. By using Trello's boards, lists, and labels, you can create a clear visual system to prioritize your tasks effectively. Whether you're tackling daily responsibilities or planning long-term projects, this method will help you stay on track and boost your productivity. Let's dive right in and set up your Trello board for success. First, start by creating 4 lists on your Trello board. These lists will serve as the foundation for your task management system. Label them as backlog, to do today, doing, and done. The backlog list is where all your tasks will start, while to do today is reserved for the most important tasks you plan to focus on each day. Doing is for tasks that you're actively working on, and done is where completed tasks will go. Next, open any card on your board and click on Labels. Once you're in the Labels menu, find the pencil icon next to a color. Click on it, and you'll be able to rename that label. This is where we assign priority levels to our tasks. Set the red label to urgent, the yellow label to medium, and the green label to low. Don't forget to save each change before moving on to the next color. These labels will make it easy to visually identify the priority of each task at a glance. Now it's time to populate your board with tasks. Create one card for each task you need to accomplish and place these cards in the backlog list. Think of the backlog as your master to-do list. It's where every task you can think of will live until you're ready to work on it. Once your tasks are in the backlog, assign a priority to each one by clicking on the colored label at the top of the card. Use red for tasks that are urgent and need immediate attention, yellow for tasks that are important but not critical, and green for tasks that have a lower priority. These labels will help you quickly identify which tasks to focus on first. Each morning, start your day by reviewing the tasks in your backlog. Select 2 or 3 important tasks that you want to tackle that day. Drag these tasks into the To-Do Today list if you're planning to work on them soon, or move them directly to the Doing list if you're ready to get started right away. This daily review ensures that you're always focusing on your most important priorities. As you complete tasks, move their cards from the Doing list to the Done list. This not only helps you track your progress, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you see your Done list grow throughout the day. To make sure you never miss a deadline, add due dates to your cards. Trello will send you notifications as deadlines approach, helping you stay on top of time-sensitive tasks. To add a due date, open a card, click on the due date option, and select the date and time that works for you. For larger tasks that feel overwhelming, open the corresponding card and add a checklist. This allows you to break the task into smaller, more manageable steps. Simply click on the checklist option, give it a name, and start adding individual steps. As you complete each step, check it off to track your progress within the larger task. Finally, if you prefer to manage priorities using numbers instead of colors, you can enable the Card Priority Power-Up. This feature lets you assign numerical priority levels to your tasks, giving you another way to organize and focus your work. To enable this, head to the Power Up section of your Trello board and search for the Card Priority Power-Up. Once activated, you can start using it right away. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a clear and effective system for prioritizing tasks in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.